Hello students, in this video we are going to see again game theory problem. This is nothing but the game theory problem based on mixed strategy. So you know the concept of max min minimax few strategy concept problem. Now it is mixed strategy. Okay. So the question is solve the following games and determine the value of the game. And the given problem is 2 by 2 matrix. There are 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay. First of all, you check whether it is few strategy or mixed strategy. So you know basic concept for few strategy means row wise, column wise. First you check that. Okay. Come to the problem. Solution A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay. You know mixed strategy concept. Few strategies maximum mix concept. Choose row wise minimum and choose column wise maximum. Okay. In first row, what is minimum number? So first row's minimum number is 1. So just to circle and write it here 1. Okay. Now second row, what is the minimum number? 2. Just to circle, write it 2 here. Okay. So minimum number is first row 1. Just to circle, write 1. Again here minimum number 2. Circle it and write 2. Okay. Now column wise. Column is maximum number. What is the maximum number? 4. Put it box. Square box, you write that 4. Here maximum number is second column 3. Again you put it square box, write 3 down. Okay. Now you write maximum minimaximal. So maximum is nothing but maximum of minimum. So in this minimum, what is the maximum value? 2. So in this minimum line you choose maximum value is 2 and minimax is minimum of maximum. This maximum line you choose minimum. So minimum number is 3. Now what about these two values? Both are same. If it is both the maximum minimax equal means that is how the value they get. That is a few strategy. Okay. Here the maximum minimax value is not equal. So maximum not equal to minimax. That means few strategies fail. Few strategy fail. That means in this problem no saddle point. So it has no saddle point. So what do you do? If it is 2 by 2 matrix, it will not come under this formula maximum and minimax formula. If minimax and maximum both are equal means that is the value of the game. Okay. Here both are not equal. But what you do? It is 2 by 2 matrix. Both are not equal means you go to mixed strategy method. Okay. So upon few strategies fail, this problem has no saddle point. It has no saddle point. Okay. So now you go to mixed strategy. So mixed strategy method. So mixed strategy method is very important because in 10 mark question the problem based on mixed strategy only. So 10 mark is mostly they asked in graphical method problem. That after applying graphical method you should apply the method of mixed strategy. So you should know the concept of mixed strategy. Mixed strategy, a lot of method is there. Mixed strategy problem, we can use lot of method. Lot of means some formula method, algebraic method, Hardman method. Okay, I follow the simple method, that is algebraic method. So by mixed strategy, so which method I am applying means algebraic method. Okay. So algebraic method I am applying this problem. Okay, what do you do? So A1, 4, 3, 2. So A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay. So now what do you do? This algebraic method very simple. If you go to formula method, it is very lengthy. If you know very well means you do that method. Otherwise you go just to see this method. So algebraic method. So nothing but what do you do? In row wise you subtract. So row wise, what are the numbers here? 1 and 3. Both the numbers are same sign. If same sign means just to find the difference. Just to subtract. Both the numbers are same number. Same sign means subtract. Different sign add. This thing you remember. Okay. Same sign means subtract. Same. You plus. This also plus. If it is different sign means you add this number. Okay. Now these two numbers are different, same sign. So same sign means subtract. 1 minus 3, what is the value of 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2, but you write always positive number. So 1 minus 3 is nothing but 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and you take positive element, so 2. Write it down. Just to subtract this 2 number, you get minus 2 and a positive only write. Okay, 2. Write it down. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. Write it down. Okay. When you subtract 1 minus 3, you will get minus 2 and only write positive sign only. So 2, write it down. 4 minus 2, write it down. Okay. So we column wise. So 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is 3. Minus 3. You take plus 3. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Write it 1. Okay. This is okay now. Just you subtract and write down, and subtract this, write out. So just in first row means you write it down. Second row means write it down. Likewise, in column wise, first column you write it right side, second column write it left side. Okay. This is okay now. Now check. What is the total? This total is 4. This total is also 4. Here also 4. Here 4. Okay. If the total, both the totals different means you make some mistake. Okay. Here both the totals same means our problem is right. Okay. Now what do you do? The total is 4. No. Just leave some gap. Write this 2 as it is by the total. Again you write 4 divided by 4. This is okay no? This number divided by total 4. Again you write this number divided by 4. Likewise is the 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Okay. Write as it is the number divided by the total. Total is 4. Divided by 4 divided by 4. Okay. Now value the gain. V is equal to. So V is nothing but value the gain. So now what you do? Just to multiply this into this, and this into this, and this into this. Okay. Now 1 into 2 is nothing but, write 1 into 2 by 4. Now what is the sign here? Plus. So plus 4 into 2 by 4. Okay. So we take the first number into this one. Plus, if here plus sign means here nothing means plus. So plus 4 into this 2 by 4. Sometimes here is negative means you put that minus is made. Okay. So now 1 into the 2 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by 4. Okay. Now denominator is 4. No, just write as it is. Both the numbers denominator is 4. Write that 4. Just to multiply 1 into 2 plus that 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. This is nothing but 10 by 4. So what this multiplication is 2. This one is 8 divided by 4. This we can simplify. 10 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2. So this is your answer. So this is your value the game. So V equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Now strategy for player A. SA is strategy for player A. That means the A1, what's the value here? 2 by 4. And A2, right hand side is 2 by 4. So strategy for player A1 and player A2. SA represent strategy for player A. Okay. That is probability. Okay. A1 probability is 2 by 4 and A2 probability is 2 by 4. Now strategy for player B, that is B1 and B2. Okay. There is nothing but the corresponding B1 is 1 by 4, comma, and B2 is 3 by 4. Okay. So after writing the value of the game, you write SASB. Don't write saddle point here. Whenever the mixing strategy problem, you write V value. After that, SASB is strategy for player A and strategy for player B. Don't write saddle point equal to. That is a pure strategy only, is a saddle point. This is mixed strategy. Our answer is strategy for SA and SB. Okay. I think, I hope you understand this concept. So, we'll do one more problem. So 3 minus 2, here minus 2, 5. Okay. In this problem also, so 2 by 2 matrix. First you check whether it is pure strategy. So pure strategy is nothing but that maximum minimax principle concept. Okay, you know maximum minimax value is equal to mean that is pure strategy. First you check that one. After that you come to this one. Okay. Now I am directly I do this problem. Okay. So what you do? Write this question. 3 minus 2 and 5. This is A1 and A2, B1 and B2. Okay. Now, so already told, first you find the difference. That means now check both the numbers are different sign or same sign. These two numbers are different. Different sign means you add. Okay, don't forget. In the first row number, same means subtract, different means add. Here different sign no up add 3 to add panna 5. Write it down. Here also different, just add 7. So always you put plus sign alone, don't write minus. Okay, so different means add, write that number. Again it is different, add this number, write it up. Okay, now come to column wise. Different side add 5 right hand side, you different side again add 7 left hand side. Okay, this okay. Now check the total. Here 12, here also 12, so 7 by the total 12, here 5 by 12, here also 7 by 12, 5 by 12. Okay, no? Now V is equal to this 3 bracket, this 3 into this. Okay, 3 into this number, 7 by 12. And what's the sign here? Minus 2, right? Minus 2 bracket 5 by 12. Okay, no? Minus 2 into 5 by 12. So denominate both numbers 12, right? 12. So 3 into 7, 21, middle minus 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, no? 3 into 7, 21, it is 10. Now subtract, it's nothing but 11 by 12. So this is your value of the game. V equal to, V is mine, V is nothing but value of the game. Now go to SA, strategy bar player A. So player A, A1, A2 is nothing but, A1 is 7 by 12 and A2 is 5 by 12. After that, strategy bar player B, SB, that is nothing but B1. B1 is 7 by 12 and B2 is 5 by 12. Okay, no? So this is a concept of mixed strategy problem. So in this mixed strategy problem, which method I am using here? Algebraic method. Okay, or sometimes odd man method, odd man. Okay, odd man's method. Okay, sometimes problems solve the problem using odd man method. They will ask. Okay, whenever the problems 2 by 2 matrix, always it is a type of mixed strategy. First you check few strategy, as not satisfy only go to mixed strategy. Okay, so this is a very important problem, and 5 mark and 10 mark list, surely this problem will come. Okay, I hope you understand this whole concept. If you have any doubt, means you ask in comment box, and do this problem practice. So in the exam you can expect this problem. So thank you, student.